Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart on desktop, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Instacart website. If you don't already have an account, click on sign up to create one. Enter your email address and create a password. Follow the prompts to complete your account setup. If you already have an account, click on log in. Enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, select your preferred grocery store from the list or enter your zip code to find one. Browse the categories or use the search bar to find specific items. Click on the item you want to add to your cart. Choose the quantity and any specific options, such as size or flavor. Click the Add to Cart button. Continue selecting additional items as needed. When you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon in the upper right corner. Review the items in your cart for accuracy. Click on Checkout to proceed. Enter your delivery address if prompted. Select your delivery time or choose to pick up your order. Review your order summary and delivery details. Add a payment method if you haven't done so previously. Confirm your order by clicking the Place Order button. You will receive an email confirmation of your order shortly. That's it. Your groceries will be delivered or ready for pickup at your selected time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.